Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find which search terms triggered your Google ad? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know which search terms triggered your ads in Google Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Google Ads, you know that it's important to find the search terms that triggered your ads, because sometimes there are going to be search terms that trigger the ad that are not relevant, so you need to add that into the negative keyword list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see what search terms triggered your ad, here on the left, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to look for this line, insights and reports. Once you click there, it's going to open up another menu, and you want to click here on search terms. Okay, next what you want to do is up here on these boxes, you want to click on select campaign and then choose the campaign that you want to know the search terms. All right, next what you want to do is you want to click right here on this calendar and then choose the time period. So if you are maintaining your account monthly, then you want to go ahead and change this to the last 30 days. But if you haven't done this for a long time, maybe you want to go ahead and go back maybe a year or since the beginning of the account. Next, what you're going to do is scroll down a little bit. Okay, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there's only 10 rows that are showing. Go ahead and open that up, and usually I'll just click it to 500. Okay, now you can see we have quite a bit more data. Now, in order to find the terms that triggered your ads, look over here on this left column. It's going to say search term. So you can see for this particular account, I was running ads for a process server. So these search terms are exactly what the customer was typing in when they found these ads. So as we scroll through them, they all look really quite relevant. Sometimes you're going to have search terms that have like a company name or something like that. And you can go ahead and just copy that and add it into your negative keyword list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the search terms that triggered your Google ad, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.